We are here in downtown Las Vegas, Fremont Street for the 2024 Mint 400. The Mint is kind of the tale of two tales. It's the party and the show, and then there's the race aspect where it is literally the toughest race course we have in the United States.
We have everything up from a 1100 horsepower four-wheel drive trophy truck down to a class 11 Baja Bug. Thousands of people walking by, checking out all the cars. Just wouldn't want to have it any other way.
We have vendors here, we have a lot of sponsors of our program, and to have Rockford Fosgate out at the Mint 400 is awesome. As a race team, that's all we want to partner with is elite brands.
Me and my brother actually love going out and just jamming to our Rockford systems, so them coming out here and supporting us is awesome.
Rockford is that perfect brand that supports us at the racetrack, supports us here at the Mint 400, and supports us when we're off at home having fun with our family and friends.